Oke, sekarang kita ada di Rawon Setan di Surabaya. Kita review tempatnya dan makanannya. Kita kuliner malam ya. Malam-malam enaknya makan. Ayo kita coba makan.
In the cold light of day, we're a flame in the wind, not the fire that we begun. Every argument, every word we can't take back. Cause with all that has happened, I think that we both know the way that the story ends. Then only for a minute, I want to change my mind. Cause this just don't feel right to me. I wanna raise your spirits, I want to see you smile, but no, that means I'll have to leave. No, that means I'll have to leave. Lately, I've been thinking, I want you to be happier, I want you to be happier. When the evening falls,
Hari ini di Rawon Setan
and the image of you being with someone else, well, it's easy
salah
to
satu
be
inside.
but we run
Kenapa kamu kan
our
di tempat karena tadi
okay. Now if we jump together, at least we can swim far away from the wreck we
makan di rumah aja biar aman.
only for a minute. I want to change my mind, cause this just don't feel right to me. I wanna raise your spirits, I want to see you smile. No, that means I'll
Kenal
have
di Surabaya.
No, that means I'll have to leave. Lately, I've been thinking, I want you to be happier, I want you to be happier. So I'll go, I will go. So I'll go, I will go. Lately, I've been thinking, I want you to be happier, I want you to be happier. Even though I might not like
Oke,
this,
jadi
I think
kita
that
udah
you'll be
makan,
happier,
rasanya enak,
I
daging
want
empuk,
you to
terus
be happier.
rempah-rempah rasa.
Then only for
Pokoknya kalau ke Surabaya harus makan Rawon Setan. Ada di depan hotel.
don't feel right to
Jadi kita bisa tunggu di aman. Nanti di bawah kita tunggunya. Oke, sekarang jadi kita lagi salah satunya ya. Gimana Room Prima kemarin Bos Andri? Pre-wisata reguler tetap jalan Ponorogoan, pokoknya kalau yang mau Ponorogo naik ke Room Prima dijamin nyaman, enak, pokoknya mah the best lah kalau mau ke Ponorogo pakainya Room Prima. Nah besok mau ngapain ini? Saya mau apa?
Review ya.
Review apa? Unit terbaru ya, Room Prima ya. JB3 Voyager. Voyager, agar-agar. Wah, lagi corona bawa unit, wah hebat. Pokoknya stay tune aja. Pokoknya kalau mau yang pesen wisata Room Prima ada di Jalan Soekarno Hatta nomor berapa? 480. Nah, jadi ke situ aja. Kalau kan nanti saya cantumin nomornya di bawah kalau mau yang pesan Room Prima untuk wisata ya. Oke, sekian kuliner malam harinya di Surabaya. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Tunggu next episode. Kita bakal review unit baru Room Prima. Oke? Bye.